shop is actually got an award to be one of the top 5 best coffee here in the Philippines with good quality made coffee. So it was January 2024 where 7 lady riders from the Rebels group traveled up in the mountains of Sagada. Good morning, guys. We're here at Sagada. Ayan, Sea of Clouds. Kita-kita. As we explore Sagada, hindi namin palalagpasin matikman ang sinasabi nilang one of the best coffee in the Philippines. At dito lang yan matatagpuan sa Sagada. Backpack experience in Sagada.
Wala kaming masasabi at kami napapagod na sa kakalakad.
So hi guys, we're now here at the PN Coffee. So this shop is actually got an award to be one of the top 5 best coffee here in the Philippines with good quality made coffee. So dito kami nag afternoon coffee dito sa The PN. So when you're in Sagada, visit this coffee shop. Maaamoy mo pa lang ang bango ng nilang kape at sila din ang nag-roast ng kanilang coffee. And they also sell mga items like their coffee and some goodies din dito. So tangkilikin ang sariling atin. So buy always quality made Philippine coffee para matulungan din natin ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino na nagnenegosyo sa industriya ng kape.
Pero ito kasi, mga bad beans na kasi may mga butas. Nasa mga butas.
Beans, 300 per pack. And they have the ground also, 300 per pack. So magpapaground tayo ng beans.
What's it called? Hot air roasting machine. Totally different. Iba siya sa drum type. So this one after roasting here, it will come over. It will transfer to this area where it will cool down before. If it cools down, then we can
pack it or grind it. Ay, ang galing. This is a certain parang parang guide on what kind of roast.
This is how the beans roast when it goes inside.
That's the color.
This is and then it goes, and this one's the dark roast.
What is the best roast? Medium or dark?
Depende po. Kasi for this one, which in here, because the acidity of the beans is high on this area. Yeah. If you are hyper acidic,
yes.
It would be better if you use this
dark roast. Medium to dark.
Yeah, because that is how you lessen the acidity by burning higher. So, pero para sa akin, sunog na lahat yung para niya sa
sarap ng kape.
Yes. Pati amoy may iba na, pati siyempre pag sunog.
Yes.
So, for me, ito palaging ginagawa ko. Yung
the medium?
Medium dark.
Medium dark.
Kasi ito medium, so I will just make it on a higher level of roasting profile. Parang magme-medium dark para ma-lessen lang yung acidity niya.
So here's Sir George grinding
this one into a medium grind. Good for it is good for coffee maker, either French press or percolators.
Ang bango.
grind also.
This is iced coffee. Kasi mainit ngayon eh. At malamig sa lugar.
Di ba ano yun? Binababad sa asin?
Gusto ko maging Spanish.
Kaya ka na-Spanish na. You wanna be Spanish?
Yes, and no habla español.
Ano, kamusta?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Yes, masarap yung kape dito. Highly recommended by Doc Mel Garcia of DLSU.
When in Sagada guys, don't forget tikman ang Daplian Coffee.